Bonjour friends. Hope you are staying safe and keeping yourself healthy. I thank you for the comments received on my previous video. Your comments are always encouraging. Thank you for liking the video. So now comes another week and we are back with another video lesson. As per the suggestions received, people wish to learn the language fast. So I'm doing few more sentences that can be added to our basic conversation in French. Okay, so I'll tell you some more question answers that we can include in our basic conversation. So friends, one more question that we can include in our basic French conversation can be, what is the date today? So for the question, we will ask in French, c'est quelle date aujourd'hui? That means, this is which date today? And the réponse, the answer would be, c'est le, and the date you want to say, and then the month. So here I have written, c'est le 31 mai aujourd'hui. Again, I would repeat the question, that is, c'est quelle date aujourd'hui? And the answer would be, c'est le, and whatever date you want to say, and the month, and then aujourd'hui. For date, I would say, you please follow my lesson on the numbers in French. I have done the lesson, numbers in French. Please follow that. You must know the numbers also. How do we say numbers in French? And then I have also done one lesson in which I have told previously how do we say the months in the French. The month is mois in French. Okay, so here for the reference I have given the months here. Starting from January, it is janvier, février, mars, avril, mai, juin, juillet, août, septembre, octobre, November, and lastly December. So I would request you to follow the lesson where we have learnt numbers and the months in French. In the sequence of question answers or sentences that we can use in our basic conversation in French, we have one more question here, and that is, what is the day today? Or we can also ask, what is the day tomorrow? You can ask someone. So the question, which is la question in French, would be, c'est quel jour aujourd'hui? That means, this is which day today. Aujourd'hui means today. This is which day today? Though these spellings do not matter when you are using it in conversation, but I would say that you better write and practice these sentences and be good with the spellings also. And for tomorrow, we have the word demain. Demain means tomorrow. So you will say, if you want to ask what is the day tomorrow, the question would be the same. Instead of aujourd'hui, you will use the word demain. So the question would be, c'est quel jour demain? C'est quel jour aujourd'hui? C'est quel jour demain? And the answer, which is la réponse in French, would be, c'est lundi aujourd'hui. Lundi is Monday. If you have followed the lesson related to the days of the week, you will know that lundi is Monday. Though I have, for your convenience, I have written the days here, which I'll be telling you just now. But I would request you to follow that lesson because it would give you the tips to memorize these days easily. So the answer is, c'est lundi aujourd'hui. Or you can also say aujourd'hui, c'est lundi. That means today, this is Monday. today this is Monday, or this is Monday today, one and the same thing. And similarly, if you have asked the question is c'est quel jour demain, in place of aujourd'hui, you will replace this aujourd'hui by demain here. So lundi here is Monday, this is Monday today, or today this is Monday. Monday in French is lundi, Tuesday is mardi, Wednesday is mercredi, Thursday is jeudi, Friday it is vendredi, Saturday samedi, Sunday is dimanche. But still I would request you to follow the lessons related to the days of the week so that you will memorize these days more appropriately, and you'll get the tips, to remember these days in an easy manner there. Thank you. Okay, so friends, another question that we can include in our question answers, in our conversation, can be, what is this? Okay, so in French, for what is this, we say qu'est-ce que c'est? Qu'est-ce que c'est? This is an important question, so you please pay attention because the spelling is also a bit tricky and students do make mistakes here. So it is qu'est-ce que c'est? That means what is this? And the answer would be c'est from here. So c'est, and then you put an article, because in French we have some things masculine and some things plural and some things feminine. So you need to know which article we'll put in front of that thing. Okay, if it is masculine, the article would be un, and if it is feminine, the article would be une, and for plural it is des. So this we will learn in another lesson on articles. So for the moment you have to learn, the answer would be c'est un stylo. C'est un stylo. That means this is a pen. Stylo is a pen. And few more things I will tell you here. Un livre, just to improve your vocabulary a bit, just to add on to your vocabulary. Un livre, that is a book. Un cahier, that is a notebook. Un crayon, this is a pencil. Because these things are masculine, I have put an article un here. And then we have some feminine things here, that is une table, that is a table. Then une photo, a photo. Une chaise, a chair. So if somebody asks you what is this for a chair, you can say c'est une chaise. C'est une photo. C'est une table. And then similarly, c'est un crayon, c'est un cahier, c'est un livre. So if somebody shows you a book and asks what is this, you can say this is a book. For this is a book, you will say c'est un livre. Similarly, I am putting the meanings also here just to make things easier for you. Crayon is pencil, and table is table, photo is a photo, and chaise is chair. So you have one more question in your vocabulary now, and that is, what is this? So friends, after our previous question, that was qu'est-ce que c'est, for what is this, the answer would generally be about a non-living thing. So what is this? We ask for something which is non-living. If we have to ask for some person whom we don't know, we will ask, who is this? So la question in French would be qui est-ce? Qui est means, qui means who. Qui in French is who, and que means what. So now we are asking, who is this? So who is this? The answer would be similar, la réponse will be similar, and that would be say and then the name of the person, or then the name of the person, or if you have some relation with the person, you can denote that. For example, here I'm giving, say, miss you, Shah Rukh. As in English, we have the abbreviations for the title, Mr., Mrs., okay, or Miss. Similarly, in French, the Mr., for Mr., we have the word monsieur. We did in one lesson, previous lesson. I'm giving you the card here, and you can see that previous lesson in the salutations. So, monsieur. For miss you, the abbreviation is this M and dot. So, and for Mrs, it is madame. The word is madame, and the abbreviation is MME dot. So, the answer is, say miss you Shah Rukh, or say Madame Martine, or say mon ami. Mon ami means my friend. So, this is my friend, you can say. Say ma mère, this is my mother. Say mon frère, my brother, this is my brother. So this is one more question about who is this, where generally somebody would ask you about a living thing. Here we come to the next question, and that is, how is the weather? So for how is the weather in French, we'll say, quel temps fait-il? Quel temps fait-il? Quel temps fait-il means how is the weather. So after this you can also add quel temps fait-il aujourd'hui? That would mean how is the weather today? Or you can say quel temps fait-il en France? That means how is the weather in France? Or you can say quel temps fait-il en Inde? That would be how is the weather in India. And similarly, you can add the other things also here to elongate your question. And the response, here I have written many answers, many answers which can be appropriate for this answer, for this question. So first is il fait beau. Il fait beau means it is pleasant. When the weather is pleasant, you will say il fait beau. And then the next answer could be il fait froid. Froid is cold. So il fait froid, that means the weather is cold. Il fait chaud, that means the weather is hot. If the weather is hot, you will say il fait chaud. And then il fait du soleil. This means it is sunny. Soleil is for sun. So it is sunny. And then the next answer could be il fait du vent. That means it is windy. Okay, and one more option we can have here is il fait du brouillard. Il fait du brouillard. That means it is foggy. So according to the weather, you can use these options for the answer, any one of the options, or you can join also. You can say il fait chaud et il fait du soleil. It is hot and it is sunny. So you can just add an A. A means and. A means and. So il fait chaud et il fait du soleil. It is hot and it is sunny. So similarly, you can make the other two options also, join other two options also, and make your response. So guys, I'll sum up my today's video lesson here with the 5 questions we have done today. There are a lot of question answers, that can be included in our conversation, but we'll sum up for today's lesson and catch you in my next lesson with some more information on French. I hope you like the videos, and please like, share and subscribe the video lessons, and please forward to the people who want to learn.